Alrighty friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my DIY coffee station that I'm finally getting around to doing. I've been wanting to do one for a long time, but I never was in the right headspace, nor did I have the right amount of counter space to do it. And in this case, I kind of had to create my own space for it with a portable dishwasher that I talked about in my previous video. So I hope y'all enjoy and you get a little inspiration if you want to create your own coffee station. Now, almost all of the products that I'm using are either from the thrift store, from Dollar Tree, and this first item that I'm showing y'all, these are 2 cake pans that I glued together with a candle holder, a candlestick holder, and then I put the nautical rope around it that is also from Dollar Tree. All these items are from Dollar Tree, and it slid a little bit overnight, I suppose, because I just noticed that it's kind of crooked, but that's okay. You can't tell if you're looking at it from the front. And this is a little salt or sugar shaker that I also got from Dollar Tree. And then this is just a spice dispenser, so it has little holes on top, and I dumped some cinnamon in there. These are also little spoons that I got from Dollar Tree. My husband was saying he wanted to get some stirrers, so I found these little spoons and I felt like they looked cuter. And now I'm just putting in my K-cups at the bottom. These are like unique little K-cups. The bottom parts are mesh. I started buying them from here at Cashwise here in Minnesota where I live, and I really like them. This is a hazelnut flavor. So I'm gonna push this over into the corner. At first I wanted it to be a little more front and center, but then I realized I wanted to put these guys front and center. So these are the oil dispensers, also from Dollar Tree, but I put the flavored syrup in there, and I'll link the ones that I use down below. They're just from Walmart. And these little guys I got from an antique store here in town, and they were only $2. So I glued some nautical rope on the back and just hung it around these. Both flavors, they're ones from Walmart. So one is vanilla and the other one I believe is hazelnut or caramel. I'll link them down below. I can't remember which flavors I put on there, but I thought these looked so cute. I saw these on another coffee station DIY, and if I can find the video, I'll link it down below as well. Now, this is just a candle holder that I got from Bath & Body Works as a gift because I couldn't figure out how I wanted to place my little milk frother here, and I will find this and put it in the description box because this milk frother is the bomb. I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond last year for Christmas, and I adore it. It's a little, it takes up a lot of precious real estate on your countertop, but I really like it. Now, this little coat hanger thing is also from Dollar Tree, and I didn't get a chance to film me putting it up because it was kind of a pain to put up, but I got the inspiration from, I believe her name is Bethany. I'll link her channel down below. And I'm just hanging these little lanterns that I got from Walmart for 50 cents. They were on sale. And I'm using the clear mugs that are also from Dollar Tree. I love the look of the clear mugs. I think they're so cute. I was looking for white ones, but I thought, I think the clear would look really cool with all of the silver and white that I have going on. And this last piece that I'm gonna put up is another item that I got from the antique store. It says Obsessive Coffee Disorder, and I just hot glued the nautical rope around it and hung it there. I do feel like it needs something extra in the middle, but I like the way that this looks for now. And this item I got from the thrift store, I believe. It was like only $1. So this is the finished product that I have here. I absolutely love it. I was FaceTiming my parents and showing it to them, and I'm just in love with it. So if y'all pull any inspiration from my coffee setup, please tag me in it. I will leave my Instagram information down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.